So I have Jonathan Semple here. He's from Indianapolis, actually Lafayette, Indiana. He just finished his 3-day detail czar certified detailer licensee program. So what did you think of the first day, the business day?
The first business day, I was a little excited to come along up here to work with you guys. It was a pleasure learning a lot of complicated stuff about the detailing. Yeah.
So you learned a lot the business day. What did you like most about the business day? What component of it? I know you learned a lot: the licenses, the permits,
Yes.
customer acquisition,
Yes.
social media marketing,
Yes.
upselling and cross-selling. I mean, there was a
Yes.
lot of information. What did you like best about that day?
Communication with you, Nick and Pierce 101. Yeah, it was good.
Excellent.
Yeah.
What about the hands-on days? You did the exterior training along with
Yes.
the ceramic coating application
Yes.
yesterday and the interior detailing and cleaning today. What did you
Yes.
think of the hands-on days?
It was great. It was great. I learned a lot of new stuff that I didn't know before, but coming along up here and working with you guys, it was phenomenal.
Well, you were a great student.
Yeah, thank you so
Thank you
much.
so much. You're now a detail czar,
Yes.
certified detailer licensee. Welcome to the family.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Well,